In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add team members in DocuSign for 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to fill in, and how to confirm everything is set up correctly, all without guesswork. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official DocuSign website. Sign in using your email address and password. Make sure you're on the genuine site by checking the URL and that the page is secure. If your account uses two-factor authentication, complete that step as prompted. Once you're in, you'll land on your DocuSign dashboard. Next, look along the top navigation and click Admin. This opens the area where account level settings live. If you don't see Admin, look for a settings gear icon, or confirm that your account role includes admin permissions, since only admins can add users. Inside the Admin or Settings panel, find the section labeled Users, Team, or User Management. Different accounts may use slightly different wording, but they all lead to the same place, the page where you manage who has access to your DocuSign account. Quick note before we continue, I've placed the official DocuSign website link right at the top of the video description to save you time and make sure you're going to the correct site. On the users page, click Add User or Add Member. Enter the person's name and their email address carefully. Accuracy matters here. DocuSign will send the invitation to whatever email you enter, so double check spelling and that they have access to that inbox. Now assign the appropriate role or permissions. Choose a role that matches what this person needs to do. If they only need to send and sign documents, a standard sender role is fine. If they'll manage other users or settings, give them an admin level role. When in doubt, start with the least access needed. You can always adjust permissions later in the same user's area. When you're ready, click Send Invite or Add User to finalize. DocuSign will email them an invitation to join your account. Ask them to check their inbox and their spam folder, then follow the link to accept and set up their access. Return to your users list to verify their status. You'll see them appear as pending until they accept the invitation. Once accepted, their status updates automatically and they'll be active on your team. If the invite sits pending for a while, you can resend it from the same page. That's how to add team members in DocuSign using the step-by-step method for 2026. Thanks for watching.